What's going on everybody, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make shortbread fingers. They are perfect for afternoon tea or just a light snack. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 150 degrees Celsius on fan forced. Then in a large bowl I'm going to sift in 225 grams of all-purpose plain flour. And then going to add 75 grams of caster sugar and 150 grams of softened unsalted butter. Then with clean hands we're going to mix all of this together until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then once you've got something that looks like breadcrumbs, we're going to squeeze all of this together and make a dough ball. We're then just going to keep kneading and squeezing until there's no lumps or cracks. And this might take a minute or so. Then once you've got a really nice smooth pastry, we're going to lightly flour our bench and cut our pastry in half. We're then going to roll these into balls and then shape them into little hockey pucks. We're then going to lightly flour the top and lightly flour a rolling pin, and then we're going to roll this out to a 12 by 12 centimeter square, and we want it about 1 centimeter thick. Then once that's done, I'm going to cut it down the middle, cut it in half, and then cut each square into thirds. Then going to put these onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. Then once you've got that, we're going to repeat the process with the other half. Then once you've got these rolled out, we're going to place them in our preheated oven for 30 minutes. The shortbread should be nice and golden and slightly risen. Then after 30 minutes, our shortbread is nice and golden and slightly risen. Just going to sprinkle it with some caster sugar and allow these to cool down for about 20 minutes. I'm going to carefully place them into a jar. And being stored in a jar, they will last up to 5 days. And you can also freeze these where they will last up to 1 month. And there we have our quick and easy shortbread. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.